Welcome to my channel We Are Learning School. A for as. B for bear. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for igloo. J for jump. K for kingfisher. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for penguin. Q for cushion. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vegetables. W for water. X for fox. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching.